Hello guys, today I'm working on this 2001 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter. So this truck doesn't, it's cranking but it doesn't start. So it has already diagnosed, it has problems with the fuel pump, so the fuel pump is not working. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the new fuel pump. Like right here, this is the shredder valve right here for the fuel, so it doesn't have no pressure at all. So no fuel coming out of there, so the fuel pump is not coming on. The electrical is good, so I already diagnostic, so the pump is not working, so I had to replace the whole thing. Okay, so all right, in order to perform this job you have to lift it like this. I put my ramp right here in the back in the back right there, and I have to put